I was not going to make this video, but a conversation with my friend the other day made me realize just how much the gelatin trick has become a staple in my daily routine. She was asking about my morning habits, and I casually mentioned my gelatin trick, and her curiosity was piqued. As we delved deeper into what the gelatin trick actually does, I found myself excitedly sharing all the ways it's impacted my life. Essentially, the gelatin trick helps regulate digestion, which in turn can lead to a more balanced overall system. By incorporating this simple daily ritual, people can start to notice subtle yet significant changes in how they feel from day to day. My friend was amazed at how such a basic ingredient like gelatin could have such a profound effect when used in the gelatin trick. Researchers have found that gelatin can help soothe the gut, leading to better nutrient absorption and a reduction in bloating. If you're interested in learning more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your life, check out the link in my description for a detailed walkthrough. For any questions or to share your own gelatin trick experiences, head to the pinned comment below and let's get the conversation started.